love looking up at the clouds in the sky? Well, we sure do. So let's make our own clouds in a jar. So stay tuned to learn some amazing facts about clouds and to see how clouds in a jar works. Clouds are very beautiful, but how are they formed? A cloud is formed when water vapor condenses into water droplets that attach to particles of dust, pollen, smoke, etc. in the air. When billions of these water droplets join together, they form a cloud. So let's have a look at what you will need. 1 jar with a lid, 1 cup of hot water, some ice cubes, and some hairspray or some aerosol spray. So let's get started with step 1. Pour the hot water into the jar and swirl it around a bit. This is to warm up the sides of the jar. When you add the warm water to the jar, some of it turns into water vapor. Step 2. Now turn the lid upside down and place it on top of the jar. Then place several ice cubes onto the lid of the jar and allow it to rest on the top for about 20 seconds. The water vapor rises to the top of the jar where it comes into contact with the cold air. Step 3. Now remove the lid and quickly spray a bit of hairspray into the jar and then replace the lid with the ice still on top. Well, it seems that this hairspray did not allow the cloud to form. That may be because this is an oil-based hairspray. So be sure to use a non-oil-based hairspray. Now I'm going to try with some aerosol spray. First, pour the hot water into the jar. Then turn the lid upside down and place it on top of the jar with some ice cubes. Now allow this to rest for 20 seconds. Now remove the lid quickly and spray some of the aerosol spray into the jar. Then replace the lid with the ice still on top. Now watch the cloud form.
Wow, amazing! Wow, that was so much fun!
And now we know how clouds are formed. Science-tastic! Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun science experiments with us. See you next time. Goodbye.